Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create the 2024 collage on your Instagram app. So with this collage, you can select multiple photos and share your favorite moments as a collage in a single story. So let's go ahead and do this. So before we begin, first go to your app store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. And now here, you want to go ahead and tap on story. And then tap on the upload button here at the bottom left. Now from here, you'll see this new 2024 collage just here at the top right. So go ahead and select it. And now you want to go ahead and select as many videos or photos you like from your phone library. And then tap on next. Now this will basically create a collage for you through Instagram. You can go ahead and add any stickers or any music. Go ahead and tap on next. And now once you're done, you can go ahead and share this to your story. So there you go guys, that is how to create the 2024 collage on your Instagram app. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.